Happy Vlogmas day 22. So, we are currently waiting. I don't think our apartment office opens until 10. It is 9:43, so we are waiting to go get our keys to the new apartment, and then we're gonna film an apartment tour for you guys. It'll be a separate video, and then we're officially moving. So I'm excited, but there's just so much to do today, and I'm not feeling all of it. But that's okay. We're gonna get it all done in the next couple of days. We're gonna move. It's gonna be great. So anyway, James, are you excited about moving?
Yep.
Yep, he is. So yeah, I don't know what else to talk about in this clip. We just have to move. Fun times. Hopefully I can get a lot of stuff filmed for you guys, but I also know that we need to get this stuff done, so I need to just focus. So I may have to like do stuff and then come back and show you guys like what we've done versus like actually showing you as we're doing it, because I can't really vlog and move stuff. Also, there's like a hair, like, anyway. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Guys, we got our keys and we're in the new apartment. If you want to see an apartment tour, well, keep a lookout on my channel. It should be up within the next couple of days. I don't know when this one's going up and when that one's going up. I'm very confused about my videos. And especially since we're moving, I'm like even more confused about my life. So if you want to see that video, that will be up. But we are in our apartment. I'm so excited. But now we have to do the non-exciting stuff, which is move stuff up here. I don't want to. All right, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. It's gonna happen. So, but guys, I do want to show you. I'm not gonna show you the whole apartment because, like I said, there's gonna be a tour later. But this is my office space, and I'm so excited because I get a window, so I can actually set up a table there and film my plan with me's. Because before, I had to film on the floor, and the lighting was just not good, and it was just a mess. So now I can actually film in front of a window and have natural light, which is really great. And I have like all this space that I can work with. Yeah, so I'm really excited. This is the new Sticky Situations Co-office slash my YouTube office. So yeah, making James move out here to the dining room area. So now we've got to go get some food because we're kind of hungry. Then we have to start moving stuff. So here we go. Okay guys, moving update. This is the current state of the kitchen. I've cleaned out these cabinets. I've cleaned out these drawers, plus this one. I've cleaned out those cabinets. So I still have like all the dishes, but whatever. This is how we're currently packing stuff. I packed up like the Christmas decorations, so those can go. So we're getting there. This is the state of our bedroom. Sorry, I didn't turn on the light. We just have a little bit left. We gotta get the dresser out, move the bed, and this stuff, and then we're done. So we moved to the washer and dryer. They're actually hooking that up right now, and I just have to get this top stuff and then clean, and then it'll be done. So yeah, making progress. Not enough progress, but we're making progress. Here's the state of the living room. All right, I'm gonna continue to work and I'll check in with you guys now. Okay, moving update. It has been a while since I talked to you guys, but this is my office. So like, here you go. I need to organize, definitely. And Dixie is getting familiar with the new space. Dixie, do you like your new house? She's very confused. Come on. Okay, so we got that done. And then, oh my goodness, where are all the lights? There we go. So we have a Christmas tree. We haven't moved our couch up because we like have no idea where we're gonna put it, but we do have most of the kitchen up here and put away, so that's good. And then we have our dining room. We have all of our movies because we've got to figure out our living room situation, and then all of our books because again we have to figure out the living room situation. James's podcast stuff isn't up here, so we still have that to do, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Woo! I'm about to get hit with a flying pig. And then in here we still have to put together our bed, and that's pretty much in the closet, but I'm not going to show you the closet because oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I'm currently editing tomorrow's video. Actually, I've already finished it. I'm gonna upload it. It is 8:30, well actually 8:38 p.m. and I'm really tired. But I made a commitment to 25 videos and I wanted to make sure it's up at 8 o'clock like all of my other ones have been. So, gotta continue working. I feel like today has just been like go, 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 go. But we got so much stuff done. And we are in the new apartment and I'm so excited. I will feel a lot better about it whenever everything's up here and everything is in its place. But for now, I'm going with it. Life is just crazy. So anyway, to celebrate, we got this is the peppermint chocolate chip milkshake from Chick-fil-A, and James got the frozen lemonade. I think that's what it is. So definitely earned it today. Went up and down the stairs so many times. So yeah, that's what's going on. But I wanted to kind of come on here and end this just because I'm like beat. I'm so tired. So once I finish uploading the video, I'm gonna put the bed sheets on our bed and probably go to sleep, pass out real fast. We did set up our bed in our bedroom and I'll show you guys that tomorrow. I want to show it when I have like the actual sheets on the bed and it like looks put together. But we did, so that room's done pretty much. Everything else is a mess moving, but yeah, so I'll vlog tomorrow. We're gonna go to church and then finish moving everything up here, and then we have to clean the apartment. I'm thinking about doing like a clean with me video for that, cleaning the downstairs apartment so that way we can turn our keys on Monday, and then need to clean and organize this apartment. It's crazy. So anyway, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. I couldn't even remember what I was trying to talk about. Hit the bell notification so that way you're notified anytime that I upload. Also leave a comment. I've been loving chatting with you guys in the comments, so if you leave a comment, thank you so much. It really makes my day when you guys like comment and talk to me. It's just really awesome. So yeah, but that is it for today's video. Tomorrow is Vlogmas day 23. I can't believe we're so close to Christmas. And yeah, it's crazy. This has definitely been a crazy Vlogmas. Like I'm gonna have to decorate twice because I need to like put everything, like decorate this apartment. So anyway, all right, you want to say goodbye to the vlog?
Bye vlog.
I won't even focus on you. I can't even.
Because I'm moving so fast.
I can't even get my arm up there to see you. How do you feel about moving?
I like moving.
Last night you were like, I hate moving.
I do hate moving.
Then why did you just say you liked moving?
Well, I was trying to be nice.
Do you like the new apartment?
Yeah.
Yeah, we like the new apartment. We do not like the new living room because we don't know how we're gonna put our couch in here, but we're gonna figure it out tomorrow. So, all right, well that is it for today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow.